hello Miss. I'm Rodeline and I will ask the second to the last question. Since you said the teaching style is depending on the students, what do you activities that you usually use related to the students?
Ano again?
Related
to
tourists.
theories. Anong mga activities nga luwat abiton?
What activities did you usually use related to the tourists?
Theories. Ang mga activities usually as a teacher, we have these activities and performances like mga PTs nila. Okay, we depend it on the grade level. So for me, with the handle ko, I'm handling grade 4 to 7. So in grade 4, hindi siya, we cannot use the role playing. Because more likely, maginang mo lang tanan. So instead of role playing, the least that I can provide for them is through games. What kind of games? It could be mga gamification. Do you know what that is? Through example, technology. May use ko technology. With the use of technology, may games siya. Pero ang games na is about sa lesson niya, itudlo ko this day. Example, ano tong lesson ko? Conjunctions. So, instead na magpamati sila sa purely discussion lang, or mag-PT sila sa mga dagpo, ng mga high level, through games ko siya. So, example, mo tong sa lesson ko, ma-provide ko the games, kung diin may question. So, with the use of iPad, may iPad man ko, tapos pencil. So, they will drag that conjunctions. Tapos, they will fit in sa sentence, kung diin siya injecto. So, through this, ang students, involved na siya. And of course, not just nga ma-learn sila, but at the same time, they will enjoy. Kaya knowing nga grade 4, hindi na sila yung mamati sa purely discussion lang, based on my experience. Especially grade 5, 4, 5, gusto nila may mga interactions, nga mga games, nga mga discussions. Pwede man kamo na mag-demo, kamo in the future, gamiton yung mga gamification, i-search nyo na. Kaya helpful din na siya. While sa grade 6, role-playing, pwede na sila. So the last time that we had the activity is asking and giving polite directions. Or do something like that. So with that PT, they will be able to communicate properly. Kaya syempre guided sila. And somehow, may buot sila. Okay? Amo na, role-playing, pwede na sa grade 6. And sa grade 7 naman niya, syempre, ma-higher level naman ta. So, pwede ko ka butang reporting. Biskan grade 7, pwede na siya ka-report. Newscasting, kaya na nila mag-research, mag-identify facts, and deliver it in front. So, overall, all I can say is that every grade level has different approach sa ilang mga activities.
Thank you.